Did you know that 3D printing is a rapidly growing industry, with more and more businesses turning to additive manufacturing to create products and prototypes? In fact, the global 3D printing market is expected to reach $34.5 billion by 2028, according to a report by Markets and Markets. Countless 3D printers can be seen in every corner of the world. The market is expanding with new use cases, making it a complex and interconnected market. From automotive parts to medical devices, and from toys to home decor, 3D printing is being used for various purposes. It's not just about creating prototypes anymore. But what is driving the growth of the 3D printing market? Let's take a closer look. Firstly, advancements in technology are driving growth in the 3D printing market. The increasing availability of high-quality printers, materials, and software is making it easier and more affordable for businesses to invest in 3D printing solutions.
In the manufacturing industry, 3D printing is being used to create complex parts and prototypes quickly and cost-effectively. From automotive parts to aerospace components, 3D printing is revolutionizing the way manufacturers produce goods. In the medical industry, 3D printing is being used to create customized implants, prosthetics, and surgical tools. With 3D printing, medical professionals can create patient-specific solutions that improve outcomes and reduce costs.
So which companies are doing well and which ones are not? Let's take a look at some examples. Stratasys, US. 3D Systems, US. SLM Solutions, Germany. Protolabs, US, and many other companies have been able to capitalize on the growth of newer technologies in the 3D printing market. They have been quick to adopt new use cases and applications, providing unique and efficient solutions for their customers.
In conclusion, the 3D printing market is evolving rapidly, with newer technologies and use cases emerging every day. Companies that are able to innovate and stay ahead of the curve will continue to thrive, while those that do not may fall behind. Companies winning in this business are not looking at this in silos but in interconnected ways. How they are growing alongside and supporting disrupting and newer latent growth opportunities if this client is deciding their winning market share. For more information, download our market research report at marketsandmarkets.com. In changing landscape of 3D printing industry, who would be your top clients? What disruptions are going to impact your clients and cascaded impact on you? How you can monetize them early? Which companies are winning and which companies are losing and why? Get all your questions answered by download our market research report today. Link is also given in the description below.